Okay, blender, take one. Oh no! Wait, hang on.
Damn flies.
Doesn't work anymore.
Because maybe it's ready.
Bullshit. No way. You got one little thing out of it and that was it? Oh shit.
Oh yeah, maybe it's got to be poured out. You didn't push it down. Hey, you're dripping. Wait a minute.
Okay, you know, this is the blender that's supposed to come out of the car.
I know, but you're wasting it all.
Okay. Damn it.
Oh! Hey, that's cool.
Ta-da!
Hey!
Margaritas! Look, it's making fun. Okay, now try it. It expanded. Tape. It's pretty good. He out.
Put the lid on so we don't spill.
Battery operated or whatever I'm trying to say. Car alarm, no.
Cigarette lighter operator.
See, and you thought you shouldn't smoke and have a lighter. But all kinds of shit happens with this.
We haven't got it back to the table
Can you make
yet.
it to the table? I gotta get the camera here.
Yeah.
You hold this. I keep stepping on my shoelaces and untying my shoes.